you are precious to me.
Mhm.
Like upper, na-imagine ko rin po yun, nagkaroon po ako ng vision na Jesus was holding me like this, like parang kabibe. And then, bubuksan niya lang yung hand mo. Ibibigay niya yung prayer na yun to the one who would also seeks him. Yun po yung I was just crying. And though it's not yet the confession part, I was able to confess that day. Ano po yung mga sin ko. I have to name that sins one by one. And I was cleansed. And then yung topic ko na iniiwasan ko, has been one of the best day of my life. Yung feeling na parang may hinugot po siya yung napakadaming arrows. And I can feel it manifested na parang may, I don't know if paano explain na may spirit na lumabas sa katawan mo. Pagdampi po sa akin yung water. Like, oh Lord, thank you so much. The enemy cannot use this against me anymore. I was covered by the blood of Jesus.